How to open AXOS Bank account. Go to the official website of AXOS Bank by typing AXOS Bank into your web browser's search bar. This will take you to the bank's homepage. Browse through the different types of accounts offered by AXOS Bank. Common options include checking accounts, savings accounts, certificates of deposit, CDs, and more. Select the type of account you want to open. Click on the option to Open an account or Apply Now for the selected account type. This will usually initiate the application process. You will be asked to provide personal information. This typically includes your full name, date of birth, social security number, SSN, contact information, and employment details. Make sure you have these details readily available. Read through the bank's terms and conditions, account disclosures, and any fees associated with the account. You'll need to agree to these terms to proceed. Follow the prompts to complete the online application. You may need to provide additional information specific to the type of account you're opening. To activate your new account, you'll need to fund it. AXOS Bank may offer various funding options, such as transferring money from an existing bank account, making a deposit via check, or initiating a wire transfer. Carefully review the information you've provided and make sure it's accurate. Any errors could delay the account opening process. After confirming your application, submit it. AXOS Bank will review your application, and once approved, you'll receive confirmation, usually via email or mail. This confirmation will include details about your new account numbers, and instructions on how to access your account online. After receiving your account details, you can log in to your AXOS Bank account online, set up online banking, and begin managing your finances. That's how you can open AXOS Bank account.